Mahnoor Saltcraft is a renowned manufacturer and exporter of Himalayan salt, operating from the prestigious purest salt mine, known as the world's second-largest salt mine. Committed to delivering superior quality products at competitive prices, Mahnoor Saltcraft has established itself as a trusted and reputable name in the industry. Situated in the salt-rich region of Purest, Pakistan, Mahnoor Saltcraft benefits from an abundance of resources and a wealth of expertise in the art of salt craftsmanship. The company proudly employs a team of skilled artisans and craftsmen who meticulously create unique and exquisite salt-based products. The extensive product range offered by Mahnoor Saltcraft encompasses a diverse selection of items made from Himalayan salt. These include edible salt, salt lamps, cooking slabs, and animal lick salt. The company places utmost importance on maintaining the highest standards of quality and purity in their products, which is reinforced by the possession of necessary certifications. For inquiries, purchases, or any other information, Mahnoor Saltcraft can be contacted using the following professional contact details. Company name, Mahnoor Saltcraft. Location, Purest Salt Mine, Pakistan. Website, www.mahnoor.com. Email, malik@mahnoor.com. mahnoor@gmail.com. Phone, WhatsApp +923318244198. Mahnoor Saltcraft warmly welcomes new importers and partners who are interested in establishing long-term business relationships. Please do not hesitate to reach out to them to explore their extensive product range, discuss pricing, place orders, or obtain further information about their certificates and quality assurance processes. Regenerate response.
ये पैकिंग हो रही है जी इसकी 3 से 4, 2 से 3 और 3 से 4। तो ये है जी अंदर जो कांटा लग के आ रहा है जी। और ये है जी 4 kg वाला।